Here's one of the funniest moments I've ever had in my life. I sneezed on the train today. Just a normal sneeze, nothing loud or dramatic. 3 people, 3 complete strangers, said "bless you" at the exact same moment. Not staggered, not overlapping. Perfect unison, like they'd rehearsed backstage before boarding. The whole carriage went quiet. For a moment, I honestly thought I'd accidentally become part of some polite, sneeze-based cult. So I just gave them a slow, awkward nod, like I was their new leader or something. If we start holding meetings every Sunday, you can blame my seasonal allergies.